unfortunate that the process of recruiting you as the chairperson and commissioners was long and protracted. The term of the previous commissioners ended over 2 years ago, leaving this critical institution without its leadership and unable to discharge the constitutional mandate. We always say, law abhors vacuum. This institutional vacuum has delayed several key processes that are vital to Kenya's democratic health. Now that the Commission has been reconstituted, it is imperative that you move with speed to undertake the critical constitutional and administrative functions that have remained in abeyance, and to begin in earnest and timely preparations for the 2027 general elections. The IEBC, as a constitutionally independent